Good morning. Today I wanted to talk about the most important thing you can do for your banana plants if you don't live in a tropical environment. It's one of our continuous growing tips here on Simply Bananas.
Do you see Banana Man hopping over on the white man? Here he come with some for me, freshly taken from banana tree. Banana Man.
A growing tip. For those of us who don't live in tropical environments, the most important thing for our banana plants is for them to have water. A couple of reasons for this. First of all, banana plants are about 90% water. If you've ever lifted a stalk of one, you'll know how heavy it is and how wet and soggy it is. Secondly, banana plants have very wide leaves and very long leaves, and these give off an awful lot of water when it's hot and dry. Now in the tropics, during the rainy season, they get rain every single day, maybe an inch, maybe a half an inch. It just depends, but they're getting a constant supply of fresh water, and this helps them grow super rapidly. Now here in the south and the southeast, or the southwest, wherever you may be, we don't get that much rain. Rarely do we ever get that much rain. Here in coastal South Carolina, we're zone 8B, 9A, more or less. We occasionally get downpours. 2 weeks ago, we had 3 inches of rain, and that was great. However, it's been 2 full weeks, and we haven't had a drop of rain since then. So it's very important that if it's not raining, we give our plants plenty of water. And you can use one of these sprayers that you get for $10 or $12 at the garden supply place, or you can, just basically unscrew it like this and just turn the hose on and let it go. But you want to make sure that you soak them really well. You want the water to get down into the root system. And in the dry part of the summer, when it's in the mid to upper 90s, you can water the banana plants several times a day. It's certainly not going to hurt them. But make sure you leave the hose on for at least 5 minutes per cluster of plants. That's really going to help them out a lot. Now, on the flip side, if you can't get to your plants and you can't water them as often as you need to, don't worry. Nothing bad is going to happen to the plants. They're just not going to grow quite as rapidly as they would if they were getting continuous water. Banana plants are made to withstand long periods of dry weather, and they do that just fine. But they are going to thrive if you give them extra water if it's not raining. So anyway, please feel free to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions about what we've been talking about or any of the other banana questions, just put them in the comment sections down below, and I'll be able to check them out and answer you promptly. And if you have any video ideas that you would like to see us do about banana plants, we'll be glad to take that into consideration and put them in the hopper and see if we can get them done. Anyway, happy growing. We'll see you later.